Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Jamaican judoka Ashley McKenzie said he was now ready to focus his energies on unearthing the next Jamaican Olympic judoka following his performance in Paris, France today. McKenzie, who went out in the round of 16, said he hoped his story can motivate troubled youth from Jamaica. Jordan Fort is in Paris covering the Olympics.
A passionate and reflective Ashley McKenzie told TVJ Sports that he hoped his participation would motivate young Jamaicans to take up the sport. History was on the mind of Ashley McKenzie as he set out to become the first Jamaican to win a medal in judo at the Olympic Games. The quest began brightly at the Champ de Mars Arena, just minutes away from the historic Eiffel Tower, when he scored an ippon to dismiss Hesham Makaber of Yemen 2 minutes and 56 seconds into his fight. That in itself was historic, as he became the first Jamaican judoka to win a fight at the Games, bettering Ebony Drysdale-Daly's effort from Tokyo in 2021. But with a quarter-final round berth in his sights, he was cut down by Salih Yildiz of Turkey in his round of 16 tie, 1-0. Bittersweet for the 35-year-old who chose to represent Jamaica after 3 Olympic appearances for Great Britain.
Yeah, it started well. I had the Yemen first fight. He was very young, so I kind of just did what I had to do. Going into the second fight, I knew it was going to be hard. I lost to him before. I felt there was times when he was kind of just scared, so he just dropped. But that's the way he fights, you know. I can't help someone else fighting the way they style. I think he just bails. He doesn't want to have a scrap. You know what I mean? He just drops. But that's how he caught me today, you know. So fair play to him. I won't take it away from any judo player. To get here, you got to do some real hard battles. You got to make weight. You got to win fights. You know, only the best of the best is here. And I got to the last 16 for Jamaica, but no one's ever got that before. You know what I mean, judo. So I'm kind of pleased in that sense.
In the end, McKenzie says the tactics used by his opponent made him tough to beat.
I got 2 penalties. He had 1 penalty, and that forced me to kind of move on to him, pressure him. And in that circumstance, obviously, once doing that, it's when he caught me, and then I had no choice but just to go forward, you know.
But the journey doesn't stop here for McKenzie, who now wants troubled youth in Jamaica to use his story as a means of Olympic success down the road, and he wants to play an active role.
Knowing that where I come from in England and my upbringing, I know I wanted to travel the world because I never had that opportunity to before. You know, I think if you're from Jamaica and you feel that you want to experience the world, you like fighting, you have passion for representing your country, then judo would be the sport, you know. I know there's a lot of bad mind people out there. When I was in my special school in England, there was loads of bad boys, you get me? And I was one of them, and I decided to do judo. If I didn't do judo, I'd be in prison, you know. So that's what taught me, and I'm sure there's a lot of people in Jamaica just like myself that I can create a program for those who are like that.
McKenzie, however, stopped just short of saying whether or not this would be his last competition.
At the moment, I need to speak with my team, but I'm 85% chance I ain't gonna make weight for a long time. So I don't know if I go up a weight but I will speak with Jamaican Federation. And I do know in the next 1 hour I'll have a beer in my hand, that I can tell you.
Reporting from Paris, France, site of the Games of the 33rd Olympiad, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.